So unfortunately, we actually get probably too many calls per year from homeowners that have found us on the internet after they had their Hardie done, however many years ago by another contractor. We try not to do that. We don't necessarily want to be the one that gets in the middle of that fight. But when we do see problems with James Hardie fiber cement, incorrect installation can create some issues with Hardie. So if you're not doing your proper flashings over windows and doors along roof lines, let's say, for example, just burying the siding right down on the asphalt shingles, as the moisture and water gets to it, especially snow buildup, it can start to deteriorate that product. Hardie siding is not meant to be sitting directly on the ground or in direct contact with water for long periods of time. There's a lot of different little things, little nuanced things like that. If you're a lot of home contractors that are proficient with vinyl, but not really in the Hardie space and just taking their first swing at it, they're not overly concerned with hitting studs. It's not that important with vinyl, but with Hardie, you have to hit studs. And so when you don't, you can get loose planks, loose boards. If they nail too high on the board can start to kick out. It just creates a bad look and a bad install. But fortunately, Hardie actually makes it really easy to file a warranty claim. So right on their website, you can just search file a claim. You enter your information, you upload a few photos, you kick it over to them, and they will give a report back. And sometimes they'll send a local rep to take a look at it. Otherwise, they'll look at the photos. The more photos you can send, the better. And they'll actually give you a report back that explains it. So what I would say is, if you're a homeowner that's had Hardie put on your house and you're having problems with it, you can reach out, try to work with your previous contractor. But if that relationship's over, go to Hardie. Hardie actually does care and they want to help. I know a lot of people assume Hardie's looking for a reason to avoid a warranty. And as someone that worked directly for Hardie, I can tell you that's not the case. Hardie wants to create solutions. They don't want to have a bad product install in your house. So I would recommend that is connecting with James Hardie directly and working through it with them. And then they may be able to help connect you with a contractor that is highly proficient with Hardie, like ourselves, that can maybe help with alleviating that problem.